Whoa, that's skinny as hell. Box of birds, one of my favourites at the moment. Got Caleb in front. Oh, she's pretty dark in here.
Hey guys, Tom from Emtb. Like I was saying before, this is definitely one of my favourite grade 4 trails. It's just got everything you want in a trail. It's got fast sections, technical bits, routes, jumps, drops. It's so much fun. And today we're actually going to ride the hard line. For those that don't know, this actually splits 2 times on the way down, and on the left is the easy trail, which I've ridden a couple of times, and I still haven't ridden the right hand side, which is the hard line. So looking forward to that.
Into the clearing. There's a beautiful lookout spot on the left there, the seat. But I came to look at the views. Ooh. You. Yes, we're going right this time for a change.
So this is the first split that I haven't ridden before. It's a cool little short section that just brings you down to the bridge at the bottom.
Across the bridge. Here she comes. Oh.
I forgot to mention that Caleb's wife Emily is following us in behind. That's why we keep stopping and waiting for her to catch up, but she's doing a really good job on this trail.
You can actually jump that log if you've got enough pace. Yoo-hoo!
And this is the final split. Such a cool line, this one.
Yeah, she's here. Good stuff, Emily. So I haven't ridden this part before. See how it goes. Oh, yeah. It's all rollable so far. Just though. Pretty technical, which is what I like. Whoa, that's skinny as hell. Oh, yeah, yes. Yes, nice one.
That's a cool line.
That is.
You all good?
All good? Doing well. Whoa. This is sick. Awesome.
And just up here on the left is where it rejoins back into the original trail.
Oh, it is so sketchy looking. It's just growing all the moss on it. Yeah.
If you like riding grade 4 trails and you haven't ridden this, I definitely recommend you to come check it out.
Yeah, not far.
So this is the end of the grade 4 of Box of Birds, and it brings you onto the Box of Birds exit, which we actually ride.
Just here, there's that intersection.
This was a fun little exit trail, so I put some snippets in here for you to see. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Really appreciate your support. And if you've liked this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And check out all my other videos. Cheers.
Oh, that corner's nice. Oh yeah, there's that horrible bloody derailleur smasher. I bunny hopped at that time for a change. I think it broke a spoke off me last time. Nice one, bro. Sweet.
That was good.